In this video, we are going to prepare a powerful natural liquid fertilizer that brings life back into the soil by activating beneficial microbes and speeding up the natural decomposition of organic matter. As microbial activity increases, locked-up nutrients become available to plants, allowing them to absorb nutrition more efficiently. This leads to healthier growth, stronger root systems, improved soil structure, better moisture retention, and a noticeable increase in earthworms and other helpful organisms. With regular use, plants become more resilient to stress and soil-borne diseases. Growth becomes more balanced, and the garden gradually turns more fertile, productive, and naturally self-sustaining, without the need for chemical inputs. Let's begin. First, take about 1,000 grams of potatoes and boil them until they are fully cooked and soft. Boiling helps break down their structure and makes their natural compounds easier for microbes to process during fermentation. Once cooked, turn off the heat and allow the potatoes to cool completely. This step is very important because heat can damage or kill beneficial microbes later on. After cooling, place the potatoes into a blender, add a small amount of clean water, and blend until you get a smooth, thick liquid with no large chunks. A smooth texture allows microbes to access the material evenly and work more efficiently. Pour the blended potato mixture into a clean container. The container can be plastic or glass, but it should have enough space for liquid expansion and fermentation gases. Now add chlorine-free water or rainwater. Avoid tap water that contains chlorine, as chlorine is meant to kill microorganisms, and we want beneficial microbes to grow and multiply. Rainwater is ideal because it is naturally soft, chemical-free, and often contains trace minerals and naturally occurring microbes that support healthy fermentation. In a separate jug, take the same chlorine-free or rainwater and add brown sugar. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely. Brown sugar acts as an instant energy source for beneficial microbes, helping them multiply rapidly. These microbes do not directly feed the plants. Instead, they convert organic matter into nutrients that plants can easily absorb. Dissolving the sugar first ensures even distribution throughout the mixture and prevents uneven fermentation. Now pour the sugar water into the container with the potato mixture. At this stage, microbial activity will begin to increase steadily. This step transforms the mixture into a living fertilizer, rather than just a nutrient solution, which is why it improves soil health over the long term, instead of giving only short-term results. Next, add a handful of compost, well-decomposed manure, or healthy garden soil. This step introduces a wide variety of beneficial microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and other decomposers essential for nutrient cycling. Garden soil from a healthy bed is especially useful because it contains native microbes already adapted to your local environment. These microorganisms act as a starter culture, multiplying quickly as they feed on the available organic matter and sugars. Mix everything thoroughly so all ingredients are evenly combined. After mixing, loosely cover the container. Do not seal it tightly, as fermentation produces gases that need to escape. Keeping the lid slightly open or allowing a small vent prevents pressure buildup and discourages harmful anaerobic conditions. Proper airflow helps beneficial microbes dominate, resulting in a healthier fermentation and a cleaner smell. Place the container in a location with a stable, moderate temperature. Avoid cold areas, which slow microbial activity, and very hot places, which can kill beneficial organisms. A shaded indoor corner or a protected outdoor area works well. Within 24 hours, microbial activity will increase noticeably. You may see light bubbling or notice a mild fermented, slightly sweet smell, both signs that the process is working correctly. After 24 hours, the liquid fertilizer is ready to use. At this stage, it is highly concentrated and must be diluted before application. Mix 1 part of this fermented liquid with 10 parts clean water. This dilution creates a gentle, balanced solution that is safe for most plants and supports healthy microbial activity in the soil. Apply the diluted fertilizer directly to the soil around the base of plants, rather than on the leaves. This allows microbes to reach the root zone, where they form beneficial relationships with plant roots. Over time, this improves nutrient availability, strengthens root systems, enhances natural disease resistance, and promotes steady, healthy growth with stronger stems and deeper green color. This method supports not only plant growth, but also the long-term health of the soil ecosystem. Instead of forcing plants with synthetic fertilizers, it builds a living system where soil, microbes, and plants work together naturally. By using simple ingredients and natural processes, you can recycle kitchen waste, reduce chemical dependency, and create a sustainable fertilizer that keeps your garden productive season after season.